Hello everyone, thank you for joining us on this demo of StockFink. My name is Aida, I'm one of the co-founders, and I'm going to be the person showing you some of the main features that we've developed. This is the StockFink home screen, so this is where you can kind of see if markets are open, closed, an overall market outlook and volatility, and our two main tools, which are the Stock Analyzer and the Wallet Builder. So I'm going to start with the Stock Analyzer. This is the main dashboard of that Stock Analyzer, and today I'm going to show you three of the main features. The first one is that the market's outlook. The second one is how to spot and find new opportunities using StockFink. And then the third one is how to analyze a specific stock if you come with something in mind. So the first feature that I want to show you is the market section. I think it's always really helpful when I start my day to look at what's going on with the market. We have an analysis on days, weeks, and months. This is all done by our artificial intelligence and our algorithms. And what I find really helpful is just kind of getting an understanding of what's happening with the market, some of those positive, negative factors, and some special factors that might be needing to be monitored as I'm starting my day. So once I've done that, I usually look through the best daily opportunities that StockFink gives me. I usually also look at the historical in case that there are any interesting investment opportunities. They also give me some buy trade ideas, sell trade ideas, which I also look at in case any of my stocks are in there, and to do kind of a more thorough analysis. They tell me about the daily news leaders, impact champions, trending in socials, and they also give me a top 15 list, as well as the Stock Spotlight, which is a curated stock, not only selected by the AI, but also by the StockFink team, which I think is always really helpful. So for example, say that I want to look at Meta as one of the best daily opportunities today. This is where I'm analyzing the stock a little bit more thoroughly. So this is what we call the stock guide, is where it gives me information about the specific stock. It tells me in a very high level what the certainty level is around the stock. So for example, in this case, partially calm waves, it means that it's quite stable. As I can see, it gives me a price range for how the stock might move over the next few days between that lower range and that upper range, which is actually quite interesting. It gives me the outlook, confidence, and volatility for the price prediction. It has an overall SP 500 ranking, which I also find really helpful in case I lean towards a specific investment thesis or another. And then it also tells me about the stock alerts affecting the stock at the moment. And then furthermore, we have a forecast in days, weeks, and months of what can be happening with this stock, with even deeper insight into specific variables such as news, key price levels, chart patterns if you're a more technical analyst, or fundamentals through company health. And I can do a more thorough analysis always using the assistant on this side that is helping me understand what's going on with the stock. So for example, here as a fundamental analysis, it's giving me some positive insights, negative insights around low income potential, valuation concerns. It tells me that it's classified as a growth stock, which makes sense because I've seen it over here on this side. And then it gives me a conclusion and some follow-up questions. So I always find this a very helpful tool to help me understand what's going on with the stock and what could be happening with the stock in the next days, weeks, and months. And then if I come to the platform and I have a specific stock in mind, for example, say that I have invested in Nvidia in the past couple of days, and I want to see what could be happening with the stock itself, I can always search for it. I can always analyze specific components of the stock and do my own analysis and understand what could be happening with the stock a little bit more in depth. So this is part one of our demo. In the next part, I will show you how to diversify your investment through our wallet builder tool. Thank you.